Alright guys, we are back and check it out, we have a good one today. So continuing with the Bradford pear onslaught, I am the pear tree killer. We're gonna take this guy out. Well, luckily for us, we have a nice rigging spot on this river birch. So if I can get something nice up there, be able to rig a lot of this over here. And yeah, nice and windy too as a challenge. Watch out. Pass me that blue line, please. Can you toss it to me? Whoop. Oh. Things flexing like crazy with that wind. don't particularly like that it's a pear tree either, because I see the included bark down there, and we all know how soft these things are. I think we'll get away with just lifting on this one, so run that blue line to the avant and we'll give it a bit of tension. Keep your eye up there, alright? We don't want to flex. I mean, river birch is strong, but we don't want to flex the top too much.
Good work.
I'm gonna give you guys a moment. Two birds with one stone here, man. Then I'm gonna kill two birds with one stone here. This is kind of like future planning, thinking ahead. I'm gonna have to tip tie this, right? But I'll make the trip worthwhile, and I won't need to be retrieving the line if I set up a redirect up here for rigging. So I can take off this lower one first and already have the rope set up to tie off for my second cut. One of the what? Fuck that. Oh. Moving me so damn much. Holy crap. I don't mind the swaying so much as the fact that if too much force is applied on a limb with my weight on it, could potentially shift things not in my favor. Exactly. Well, the issue is where I'm tied in, I don't exactly feel like 100% comfortable with it. But if I go any lower, it's not going to help me as much since I got to go so high on my limb walks. Yeah, and I could have ran a line to the river birch, but then I have a line in the way of my rigging, which is why I didn't do that. I could have basil anchored off that and then worked the, you know, my way up and made a redirect up here at the same stem, but lines in the way, never a good idea. Just makes more of a hassle later. Hold on, because that's not even tied up. Okay, now you're good. We'll get the Avon on the blue line again.
Yeah, I'm just gonna for a while. Yeah, you can take it off.
That was pretty smooth.
I'll hold it until you get it tight. That's a cool fish.
Oh, I don't know though. I guess we'll see. Sheesh, she's a long one.
Good pull. No, that's good. That's good.
On it. Okay, that's good. So again, just nice and easy pull. You don't have to go fast. Just kind of try to keep up with it to try to mitigate the amount of space we have. All right. Good. Nice. Good job. Very good job.
Hey, E, just so you know, the reason I have you tilt forward so much is so this is clear. Otherwise, it's a sharp edge on the rope, and under a lot of tension back. You probably won't play the box, but you do it 20 times. Good job. Just set it up. Here, now you're on this rope. I'm gonna cut it. And you can lower. Yeah, so you can let go. Basta ahí, no es. Go ahead and lower it some more.
Perfect fit. Okay. up for the wood. Oh, that was close. Yeah, we're about to break another one. Huh? No. ¿Ah? Mira, si lo vas a usar tienes que tener mucho cuidado porque esos cables que están afuera son fuck. Energized, you know, they got power. Sí.
Tienen electricidad.
No, es energizado.
Están energizados.
Sí. Entonces ten cuidado, bro, te digo, no lo puedes tocar. ¿Me entiendes?
Voy a ver, si siento que no puedo hacerlo, pues no lo hago.
Sí, pero te digo, bro, no lo juegues, ¿ok? Por eso le dije a este que lo hiciera, pero si, como te digo, si tú sientes que cómodo, está bien. Pero no lo vayas a jugar así como la calle el otro día, ¿me entiendes? Sí. He says he wants to try the grapple. I told him be very careful, so.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, he seems careful so
I like the enthusiasm. I just don't want it to be another episode of the road, you know, that we had the other day.
Oh yeah, pull up the road good.
Yeah, and especially on energized lines, that's not going to be good. So.
Now, he ended up putting the pile behind the grapple, so if you wanted, you could swing over the road and hold the line. You can find that to do.
Okay. You want to start getting this?
Yeah.
So let's pre-tension it a little bit. Of course I didn't record the best part, but there it is. Yep. Heck yeah, man. Maybe wait for him. That's a nasty little angle there. That was actually way longer than I thought it was. And we kind of like balanced it, honestly.
Yeah, which is the only thing that saved us from push play.
Yeah. There it goes. I gotta make the notch anyways. hard to tell, especially with this many friction points. Sí, pero con la presión que tenía arriba no lo dejaba mover mucho desde abajo. No voy a creer, eso está pesado, bro.
No sé.
Ya le di unas cuantas patadas. Perfect. Yeah. It popped. It popped. Mm-hmm. Oh boy, that popped really early. Well, I cut very small notch because this Bradford has me worried that it might pop with the wind movement, so I don't want to create too much of a weak point. Nicely done, nicely done. I wanted to risk it. Old me would have, but new me knows better and has to climb out to the tips. Yeah. Not Friday yet, I can't fuck up that fence. If there was a Phillip job, I definitely would have. Christ, fucker. Give her a little bit of a pull there. Get this shit on the fucking ground. Fuck me. Work positioning, not the best, but it is what it is. What I don't want it to do is fall on my fucking back, get on my shit. So slid on the quarter up. I don't need too much pull on this. Oh, you can take some. I thought it was homeboy on that one. That's good. That's perfect right there. Once I cut it, I'm gonna guide it away from myself. When you do stuff like this, you got to be careful because, like, if there's enough slack and this road decides to fall on my side, it's gonna be rigged off the floor. So that's why you leave a little bit of slack so that you can guide it and push it away from yourself. And like, if I'm the cutter, I stop early. Once I start to see this piece hinge over, that's when I stop cutting and I try to get my hands here, or you know, some cases so I don't one hand, I can cut and then handbrake, and then with the saw kind of push away from myself. Right there it starts moving. You see it kind of jolt a little bit, and some people aren't cautious because they don't realize it, and they'll end up allowing this to fall on their side and getting rigged on themselves. Yeah. One of the most famous videos created this famous meme called where they call the groundsman Nate. You ever seen that? It's this guy on Instagram. His name's Trevor Ahern, something like that. It's a climber, subcontract climber from Florida, white guy. This guy set up really dumb rigging, and he blamed the groundsman because the block ended up coming back and hitting him, and he got really pissed off and started yelling at him like, yeah, I fucking told you to let it run. No more rope for you, Nate. That's what he said to him. And then everybody in the comments was roasting him like, dude, you're a dumbass, because that, like, you could just tell that that was gonna happen from the rigging. And it makes me laugh because I feel like we've all been there. Like, even he's grown enough as a climber to realize that, yeah, he was in the wrong for sure, because the groundsman wasn't at fault there. He just set up the rigging really dumb. And it reminds me of a similar case where I used to get mad at guys like, oh, you motherfuckers don't know how to let it run. And I was the one setting up rigging stupidly. Because it's like, you always got to work around your skill level too. You can't be taking out huge pieces and then the guy doesn't even know what the fuck's going on. That's just dumb. This one, tie off on the Avant, we're gonna get a pull on it. Yeah, it'll be fine. more. Hold it. Hold. That's good. Nice. That's that really smooth into that. I hope.
It's like ballerina off that.
Yeah. Oh, thank God I recorded that. Finally, a good one. I always hate when you do like a good pick or something, and you're just like, damn it, freaking GoPro didn't record. Then you gotta be defending yourself in the comments. I swear it was a good one, guys. I know I posted the 20 shitty pics I had, but I swear I had that one good one. Where's my boy at? Get his ass over here. He's lacking right now. I don't need him on the grapple 24/7.
Edric! He's breaking. Man, I guess he's trying to catch me up. But there's a smile here. Maybe he saw me on the line. Hey, I'm gonna need you on the blue roof. You probably want to come on the other side.
Hey, when we got a lot of stuff going on, try to be quick on the trips because he's having to do a lot of extra work because you're not here. So you got to try and help him out, you know? You got to find the moments to get on the grapple when nothing can be done for you, right? But then you got to be quick and come back because he's having to do a lot of extra work. Maybe we throw that on the quarter app. That's a pretty big top, man. And if you want, we can wait for the Avant. That's completely fine. Yeah, we can get a little bit of a pull that way. That's better. Well guys, that's it for me. You know what it is, cleanup time. So until next time, catch you guys later.